Are you a beginner electrician, an apprentice in house electrical installations? Are you a site worker involved in conduit and piping works, or are you someone looking to upgrade your electrical installation skills? Then this practical training package is specially designed for you. Welcome to House Electrical Installation Fix Training Course, a practical and beginner-friendly training package designed to take you from basic understanding to real on-site works. With practical field experience in house electrical installations, this training has been carefully structured to simplify real site work for beginners and intermediate learners. In this training, we shall first look at basic personal protective equipment (PPEs), especially for electrical workers. We shall look at how electricity is generated, transmitted, and distributed. Then we look at some important regulatory bodies in the electrical industry. You will also learn how to read electrical floor plans in a professional way. You will learn conduit layout drafting. You will learn how to balance electrical circuits. You are going to learn load assessment and planning. You will also learn proper electrical installation procedures. We will look at practical on-site demonstrations, step by step. You will learn professional conduit piping methods for residential apartments, buildings, and commercial shop buildings, including the differences between downstairs and multi-story conduit installations. There are differences between the piping of a residential building and that of a building that has shops to be rented out. You will learn all this by the time you enroll to take part in this practical package. This is not just classroom theory. You will see real practical site demonstrations explained in a simple and professional way to help you understand how first fix electrical installations are carried out on site. By the end of this training, you will understand how to approach house electrical first fix installation carefully, avoid common installation mistakes, and improve your competence during practical site work. For many of you who have been requesting a complete training package, I want you to understand that this course is practical. It is easy to understand and carefully designed to help you build confidence and competence on site. So whether you are just starting out in electrical installations or looking to improve your existing knowledge, this course will guide you professionally and practically. You can learn at your own pace from anywhere and revisit the lessons anytime you need them. Enrolled students may also gain access to a support group where questions, guidance, and practical discussions can continue even after the training. Yes, you had me right. Sample electrical drawings and additional learning materials may also be included to support your practical understanding on site. And for a limited time only, the first 50 persons to enroll in this training package will enjoy a special promotional discount. Once the first 50 slots are filled, the training package returns to its normal price. So if you are serious about learning house electrical installation professionally, this is the best time to get started. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your skills and increase your value in the construction and electrical industry. Secure your slot now by clicking the link below and get instant access to the full training package before the promotional offer expires. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more professional training videos and practical electrical installation packages. House electrical installation first fix. Learn it, practice it, and master it.